Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Daphne.
I'm Emma. I'm Addie.
And today, Emma and Addie are going to be sharing with you a very exciting and long-awaited mystery pin unboxing. Yay! So girls, I'm gonna step out of this video and leave you girls to it since these are all your pins. Okay. But before I do that, I just want to point out a couple of the pins that we purchased were actually from an Instagram pin seller called Jolly Pin Holiday. And I've had these pins for a while. These are pins that I purchased for Emma. And from Jolly Pin Holiday, I had bought 2 Beauty and the Beast mystery pin sets, as well as a mystery pin that Emma has no idea what's in here.
No, but you've told me that you bought me it, and I've been waiting and waiting and waiting.
Since like February or March, right?
A long time, like a year, yeah.
Yeah, no, not a year.
Seems like a year.
It's been forever. So I believe this was a pin of the month for February. I'm pretty sure it was February, and I found it for Emma. I think it was sold out in the parks, and so I found it on Instagram from Jolly Pin Holiday. Please go check out her Instagram if you love Disney pins. So I'm gonna leave you girls to it. You ready?
Yep. Yes. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Tsum Tsum Beauty and the Beast pin box and the Disney Park Attraction pin box. And I will also be unboxing the Disney Tsum Tsum mystery pack. I'll be opening a Alice in Wonderland mystery pin pack and Kingdom of Cute pin pack and the mystery Tsum Tsum pin packs. And I'm going to start with the Beauty and the Beast Disney Tsum Tsum packs. Here are the ones you can get in the set. The 2 I'm hoping to get is Belle and the Beast. And I have 4 chances of getting that because I have 2 of them. So let's get started. Okay. Take out one and I'm gonna... Oh, I don't know. It feels like chip. Is it round? Yeah, it kind of feels round. But I mean, there's like a lot that are round. It is Mrs. Potts. Mrs. Potts. So I like that one. Okay, this one feels like the Beast, which I'm hoping to get. It feels like it, Addie. I don't know. No, it's Lumiere. It's Lumiere. It's Lumiere. And I got Lumiere, which I thought was the Beast, but it's not. Okay, let's go on to the next one I have. So this one opens. Okay. And let's open this one. Oh. Same I got a double. I got Lumiere again. I'll be trading one of them. Let's do the next one. Hopefully this is going to be a lucky one. Feel it? It feels like Lumiere again. I get 3 of them. It's just like... Hopefully you don't. It's the Beast of Lumiere because it has horns. It's the Beast! Yes! I got one of them I wanted. I got the Beast. He actually looks kind of cute. Even horns. Adeline, you are going to have the next turn, so let's see what you get. Okay, I'm going to be unboxing the Kingdom of Cute. These are the different ones you can collect. And I am hoping to get the Space Mountain and Dumbo. Oh, she's going right in for it. Okay, what are you gonna get? Okay. This feels like the boat. The boat? Wait, no. I'm pretty sure it's the people. Okay. Let's see. Yes, it is! Oh, that's adorable. That's not what I was hoping for, but it's still really cute. This feels like it's this. It's a sword in the stone. The sword in the stone thing. I'm pretty sure it's the sword and the stone. Oh no, it's Dumbo! Dumbo, yay! Love Dumbo, it's so cute. I want to see how cute she is, or he. Yeah, it's a he. Oh, that's adorable. I'm gonna do the attractions. And here are the ones you can get. And the ones I'm hoping for are the Pirates of the Caribbean and Ariel. So those are the ones I'm hoping for.
That's a good choice.
No, let's see if I can get it. Get one of them at least. Okay. This might be the Pirates of the Caribbean. Let's see.
It's
See? Okay, which one is it?
oh.
It's Maleficent.
Oh, Maleficent is really cool.
Not one of the ones I wanted, but it's really cool. Okay, next one. Let's see. Okay, this one feels like Alice in Wonderland. That's the one it feels like. Oh,
it's Aladdin!
And I got Aladdin.
Now I'm going to be doing the Alice in Wonderland. These are the different pins you can collect, and I'm hoping for Alice and the Queen of Hearts.
Ooh. This is like a really cool pin pack. I'm hoping that she gets Alice.
It's so cute.
What is that?
They should put Alice in it. Oh, but I got the bunny still. I got the white rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. Hopefully I get Alice, because Alice is really cute. Hold on, I'm gonna feel.
Which one do you think it is?
I think it's the cat, and I also want to get the cat too. Oh yeah, it's that. It's the Tweedledee and Tweedledum.
I was gonna call them annoying.
Good name, good name.
Okay. So the next one I'm gonna be doing is the Disney Tsum Tsum collectible pack. And here are the different choices. Okay, I'm hoping for Dumbo, Piglet, Eeyore, Tinkerbell, and Dale. I am ready.
Oh, they are individually bad.
So let's see, which one? Am I gonna get Donald? Oh, this one's Donald. I can feel this one.
Doubles.
Okay, I bet this is Donald. I bet it. It is Daisy?
Donald.
I really thought that this one was Donald, but it is Daisy.
Well,
So I have like 30 of these now.
they're almost the same because.
So I will be trading this one. That's the one I get in every single one.
Well, her bow is almost shaped as his hat.
Okay. I don't know what this one is.
Ooh, oh!
It's... Okay, this one is Chip, and I believe I have his brother Dale.
Okay, you have
3 more left. Yes. Okay. Oh, I wanted this Goofy. I wanted this Goofy, guys. It's Goofy.
Oh, I wanted to get Goofy. He's like so cute.
And I got Goofy. I felt his hat, and I was like, okay, it's Goofy. Another one. Let's go for the next. I only have, what, one more?
One more to go.
I'll just go for it.
Oh,
It's Dale. I got Dale, which I already.
Dale.
I got the.
Wait, that means it doesn't matter because look, Chip and Dale.
Now I can trade my other one. I got the twins. No, they're best friends actually. Not twins, best friends.
Yeah, yeah.
So I can now trade my other one. I got the pair, which I wanted to get the Dale. So yay, I got one of them.
Go. The
Last one. That was on point.
Yeah,
High
on
five.
point.
On point. Okay, just gonna. Yeah, I was trying to make that really cool and all, but not working. Oh wait, what does this one feel like? This one feels like Stitch. I'm saying Stitch.
Oh, it's Pluto. I want to get Pluto last time. I wanted to get Minnie and Pluto. Pluto's so cute. Oh wait, I think I did get Pluto.
You didn't even get these last time. So on to Addie.
Okay. I'm going to also be doing the collectible pin packs, and these are the ones you can collect.
So which ones do you want to get?
Ooh, I want to get, I want to get all of them. They're all so cute.
They are.
I want to get, what is his name? Oh yeah, I want to get Flounder. And I want to get, Ariel.
How about the annoying bird in Ariel? I don't know his name.
And I want to get Crab. I forgot what his name is. Sebastian.
Like all the characters in the Ariel movie.
Ariel family, not family.
Okay. Let's do this thing. Let's mix it up. Let's see. See.
Oh, I got the bird from Aladdin.
Iago.
Bleeblago. I got Bleeblago. I'm just gonna. His name is called Iago, but I'm just gonna call it Bleeblago.
Okay, let's see. This one has to be a good one.
Oh, I got Aladdin! What is her name called again?
Jasmine.
Yeah, Jasmine. I got Jasmine.
Ready?
This is the monkey from Aladdin, the monkey.
What?
I got Abu. So far, I'm getting everyone from Aladdin.
Okay, let me like squish these up. Oh, that's easy.
And I got her dad.
Aladdin.
Daddy. I got Jasmine's father, Sultan.
Last but not least is everything.
Aladdin and Jasmine.
Yeah, you got the whole pack.
I got like the whole family of them. I got Iago, Abu, Sultan, Jasmine, and Aladdin. I'm missing Genie and Raja. That's the tiger. One set left.
No.
I already have Minnie Mouse, Pluto, and those are the only ones I can remember. But I want to try and get Dumbo, Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh.
Dumbo, Winnie the Pooh, Chip and Dale, and then the last one I want to get is Stitch. Stitch is so cute. They have 2 horns.
Is it round or pointed? It might be Minnie Mouse.
I can't. They're pointed at. I'm pretty sure it is Oswald.
If you get Oswald, we'll be twins because I have Oswald too.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, it is Oswald! Look, he's so cute. There's Oswald. He's so adorable. I think this is Dumbo. Oh, it is Minnie Mouse. I already have her, so she is going to be a trading pin. I think it is... Oh, I didn't look at it yet, but it's this little guy. The little, him. Is this the one you want to get?
Uh-huh.
He's so cute.
His name's Eeyore.
Eeyore.
Oh, so I called him the Grumpy.
He's not grumpy. There is Eeyore. He's so cute. Emma was hoping for him. Oh, I think this is Tigger. Oh no, it's Minnie. It's Mickey. I don't have Mickey yet. I only have Minnie. Now, another match. Matching. Beautiful. Match. Mwah. My last one.
Already?
Yeah. Let's see.
I know. Went by too fast.
This might be Donald or, I don't know. Donald or Minnie or Chip or Dale, I don't know. This is Stitch, the one I want to get. Stitch. Stitch is so adorable. There's a little Stitch.
Last but not least, we got this package from Jolly Pin Holiday from Instagram, and I'm so excited to open this up. I am so excited. So she sent us some park maps. One of them is a Disneyland park map, and the other one is a California Adventures park map. And she also sent some gummy bears. Yum. And a card. Thank you from Jolly Pin Holiday. And this little Mickey card. And the pin.
It's probably Donald because Donald is your favorite.
Yeah, I know. I can't open that.
Oh, it's
Gosh, it's so cute.
oh my gosh.
I found the opening of it after 5 minutes.
Oh,
It's the donut shop pin.
the Donald Donut Shop pin.
It's awesome. It has little anchors on it. So here's a Donald Donut Shop pin, which I love. And it also opens up. And it has all of the Donald Duck treats, of course. Yum. I love this pin. It has little anchors on it too.
Was that fun, girls?
Yes.
So I hope you enjoyed this fun mystery pin unboxing with Emma and Adeline today. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like this video, guys, because it lets us know if you enjoyed this kind of video today.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to hit that little notification button.
Shall we show them one last little look of all the pins you got while we say goodbye?
Yes.
And here is one last look at all of my pins that I got.
And here's one last look at all of my pins. Thanks for watching.
Life could be a dream, and I ding dong, plans would come true, and I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.